Yeah, students really do have to have a strong, positive social identity. For me, growing up, I had a very weak one. I would look in the class and I would feel like, okay, the Chinese are going to get the best scores here. They're the ones who know the most in math. And which was a little bit ironic because my mom's Chinese. I'm not full Chinese, but I just had this stereotype. So I think when we have students of different backgrounds or whatever backgrounds they come from, it's very important that they are able to have pride in who they are and their culture and the background that they bring